In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in ERPNext. For those of you who are new to ERPNext, or even if you're just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and thoroughly, making sure you feel confident in managing your expense recordings efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific section in ERPNext that deals with payment entries. So, open ERPNext and go to the Accounting module. Once you're there, find and select Payments, then click on Payment Entry. This will take you to the location where you can manage all your financial transactions related to payments. Ready to create a new entry? Great! Click on New to start documenting your expense. Now let's set up the details. The first thing you'll need to specify is the payment type. Since we are recording an expense, you'll choose Pay. Next, you have the option to set the party type. For this purpose, it could either be a supplier if you're paying an external vendor or an employee if it's a reimbursement situation. Selecting the correct option here is essential for keeping your records accurate and organized. Once the party type is selected, proceed to choose the specific supplier or employee from your list. This helps in ensuring that the payment is tagged correctly to the relevant party, which can be very useful for tracking and reporting purposes later on. The next step involves setting the paid from account. This is either your cash account or your bank account, whichever is funding the payment. It's important to select the correct origin of funds, as this will impact your financial accounts. Similarly, you'll need to set the paid to account. Typically, this is either a payable account or an expense account, depending on how you categorize your expenses within your financial structure. If your payment relates to a specific purchase order or invoice, you have the option to link this transaction in the References section. This is particularly helpful for maintaining transparency and ease of auditing in the future. Simply select the relevant purchase invoice and link it to this payment entry. As we move further, don't forget the Deductions or Expenses section. Here, you will select the specific expense account related to the transaction and enter the actual amount that's being paid. This ensures that your financial records stay up to date with all these figures reflecting accurately. Finally, after all the necessary information is entered and verified, it's time to save your entry. Click Save. Once you're sure everything is correct and ready to be finalized, go ahead and submit the entry. This final action confirms the transaction, and it's officially recorded in your system. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently record expenses in ERPNext, keeping your financial information organized and easy to access when needed. Thanks for watching, and happy managing!